Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can delete a public profile on Snapchat. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now tap on your profile icon. Scroll until you can see My Public Profile option, then tap on it. Now tap on the three dots icon. After that, select Delete Public Profile. Now confirm your action by tapping on the delete option again. And that's it. Your account will be deleted. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.